This machine is a professional-grade tool, equipped with high-quality carburetor and igniter, and the performance is comprehensively improved. The engine and crankshaft body is made of magnesium alloy material with optimal lightweight machining, and CNC center has good accuracy. The plastic material adopts excellent grade nylon reinforcement, which has good thermal resistance and physical strength. The engine provides maximum power at 9,500 rounds per minute, and the output power is matched at high speed to improve work efficiency. The brake system is responsive and reliable, and meets the requirements for safety control. The whole machine meets the European CE standard. All machines are accurately tested and adjusted to ensure that the engine works stably under suitable fuel consumption and temperature, and ensures that it will not stop at high temperature or be difficult to start under long-term high-speed operation.